All right, so we only have half of the 93 octane crew today. It's just me, and we are gonna be working on that taillight right there. This one's problematic, as you can see. It's supposed to look like that, but the lens cap came off. So I ordered a new one on carparts.com right down there, 50 bucks, not that bad. It's supposed to be like 180, 190. So I'd consider that a pretty good deal. And I got all the tools over here in my trunk laid out, as well as all my camera stuff. So gonna be kind of a little bit of everything going on, but this shouldn't be too bad. The only thing I'm kind of worried about are these screws, because this car is, well, 22, 23 years old. So those are gonna be a pain in the ass. And prying over here is also gonna be kind of a pain in the ass. But luckily, once that's all done, it's just slide in, pop in the clips, and it should be good. Should be good. Famous last words. It might not be good, but we're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna pop this down. I'm gonna get my impact drill out over there, and we're gonna see how this goes. So hang tight. All right, so I'm gonna take out my impact, get this out. That's where those bits went. We might not even need, I'm gonna use a Milwaukee bit. I'm gonna use a decent bit, because the bits that I have in my tool bag normally, these I just keep because it's got literally everything. And oh my God. Well, rest in peace to that footage. But so I've got pretty much everything I need laid out now. I'm gonna make sure that my battery on here is good, I think. And we're doing all right. We got 3 lights on there. So we're gonna keep it on like the 1 speed for now. Should be good enough to get these off. I'm gonna get a Phillips on there, and or maybe even maybe I throw a chuck. Nah, I'm good. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. We're just gonna use a screw. What are the chances it'll strip, right? When do screws ever strip? They never strip. It's gonna work great. So I'm gonna put this down, and let's see if I could kind of get a good angle at this. And we're just gonna kind of zoom. So here we go. That should be good. So I'm gonna get a Phillips on there. Hopefully the audio is good on this. That would suck. I'm gonna throw this in. That is good. That one's out. That one's out. That's done. It's nice, it's got like a little bit of a magnetic tip, so it works pretty well. But I'm gonna set this back even further. I think you should see me now. And we're just gonna try and... That came off way easier than I ever would have hoped. Wow. I almost wanna clean this. I have some all-purpose wipes, so I think I'm gonna clean the surface down. I'm gonna come back to you guys once it's out. Oh, Jesus. So this is what we're working with right now. We got just dirt everywhere, like 22, 23 years of dirt. The wiring, got to take all the lights out, so just got to transplant all that stuff into that one, and we're good. Should only be like, what, 3 bulbs? So it's not too intense, but honestly, it's not that bad. It's a pretty easy fix. So I'm gonna do the cleaning now, and I'll be right back. All right, camera's a little unlevel, but I figured, you know what, why not film taking these out. So those are the bulbs. They just kind of twist out, and they're all in these like cable channels right there. So if I could just see, normally people would care about their paint, but not this car. Not this car at all. Okay, so that's done. It's out. This is the old one. This is so dumb. It is not pulling focus. and it is very annoying. But hey, is it gonna pull focus? There we go, perfect. So yeah, as you can see, that's really bad. It's really annoying, and I hear it when I drive, and I can't stand it. So that is what we have fixed today. Well, what I have removed today. So now it is time to clean. I got these like Armor All wipes here that I'm going to use. Clean out this whole area, then get that, then throw all the lights back on, then we're good. So here we go. Okay, I think I'd consider that a lot cleaner. So I got like the crevices and stuff. Down here, it's gonna get real dirty real fast, but I think that that's a lot better than dirt everywhere. So I know I'm never gonna see it, but I wanted to clean it. So now that that's over, now it is time. I'm gonna throw it on there, I'm gonna test it out, should be all good. Alrighty, new headlight time. We're gonna get everything in. So I'm gonna get these bulbs in. I think this one goes over there. The circle goes in the circle hole, except they're all circles. And I don't remember which one goes where. I could totally look at the footage, but I think these do the same thing. Oh wait, are they notched differently? They may totally be notched differently. Ooh, that sounds great. Okay, that's in. I think this makes sense. There's more slack on the bottom one. So that, yeah, this makes sense. Totally makes sense. Watch me get a ticket though. Like, sir, your taillight's out. I'll be like, no, officer, I just replaced it. I don't know what you're talking about. Come on now. Get these in. Nope, there's an arrow. Where's the arrow? Is there even an arrow? There's no arrow anywhere. This thing is a lie. I've been duped. Alright, that's in. Now we're just gonna... I don't feel confident about this one. I think I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna reseat it. I mean, that's pretty... It's not like really in there though. I don't know why. It's not like wanting to seat the right way. There we go. That's in. That one's in. That's done. We get this on there. We push it all together. There's these little pegs back here. I'm gonna actually get the camera and bring it over. So we got these pegs, and I'm just gonna push it in. Just brute force. Man, it does not want to go in there. I don't want any water to get in. Damn, so this is kind of annoying. I'm gonna push these in, I'll be right back. Okay, they're in after some deliberation, but it's good now. So I'm gonna drill these in, and then we're set. So I'm gonna set this back down. I'm gonna give you guys some elevation here. Get a complete butt cam. We got the screws, we got the drill. Just gonna get these on there and not slip. That's in. That's in, and that's done. It's on there. So now we're good to go. I just have to test it out, and I think it's gonna be all great. Got my keys. We're gonna start the car up. Just gonna get in here. It's already unlocked. Why'd I do that? And okay, check it out. Let's check it out. Oof. They're not on because I need to step on the brakes. This is mildly problematic. We're gonna do that right now. All right, brake test. So we got some good news and we got some bad news. The good news is that it worked. The bad news is that this bulb is cooked. It just died the second I put the lamp on. So that means it's AutoZone time. And I have to pick up my iPhone. It's 17 Pro launch day. And I need to like do that and get the phone and then come back and then go out. This is a hell of a trip. So I will be right back. All right, time to go to AutoZone with the car that works, that I literally got fixed today. It's okay. It's all right. So listen, the Bank of Nick is suffering today, but we're gonna go on this drive, go to AutoZone quick, come back, do the light, finish it up, finish the vlog, go to the Apple store, and I think it's all gonna work out. So here we go. I'm gonna go on a journey. I can't film, obviously. I'm gonna be driving, and also it's stick, so that's gonna be problematic. So I will see you guys at AutoZone. All right, we've arrived at the zone. So I'm gonna go in and get the bulbs and be right back. We are going to wing this, and I'm gonna get the 921s because the 06 to 07 Pilot should be the exact same as the 03. So we have to look for 921s, and they are somewhere over, let's see, 921. Am I blind? I mean, it's very, very likely that I am. Let's see. 109. Oh. Those look like the ones. Those are indeed our lads. So we're gonna pick these up. And we're gonna go pay now. See you guys back in the car. Alrighty, walking back to the car. Got also these 7443 bulbs. They're long life, so hopefully they last, 23 years like those did. And yeah, I figured I'd just get multiple different bulbs too. I think these are the ones that's got to be replaced. These are the smaller ones, the little guys, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So it was like 20 bucks for both of them. We got 4 bulbs. And yeah, now it's time to get back in the ride and finish the job finally, so I could get on the rest of my day. So here we go. All right, we're back. Gonna replace these bulbs now, and we're good to go. Okay, little unboxing here, I guess. Take these out. If these are the wrong bulbs, I might cry. Just might cry. Gonna do that. And now, we're just gonna take out the old one. It's this one that is absolutely eviscerated. We're gonna take that out. It came out like that. I think you put it anyway. Let's find out, I guess. Looks good. Right? Right, yeah, that's making contact. Perfect. Okay. Do we just do the other one too while we're at it? Like it's here. Maybe I just... Why not? We got 2, right? Bang. So now they're both in. And now I'm going to turn the car on. We're going to test them out and pray. Here we go. Okay, we're not getting the brake light, but we're also not getting the brake light. And look at that. Perfection. That looks kind of cool on this camera. All right. Okay. Probably shouldn't be doing this while they're on, but guess what? It's fine. What could possibly go wrong? And I said that the last time, and then I had to go buy bulbs. So this will be fun. So we're gonna stick this in the little cable routing thing too, if we could kind of jam it in there. Maybe. Possibly. just kind of encouragement. Yep, there we go, it got encouraged. And it's in, and now this one's gotta go in. And we're just gonna do some of that. And we're gonna twist this one, and that's in. And now we put those pegs in, and bam. Now we're gonna drill it in. Try and give you guys a good view here. Not in reverse. That's in. And that's in. And we're good. We got a fully working taillight. Now we got two fully working inversed taillights. Actually, I think, no, they are working the right way. That one's brighter for some reason. Listen, you know what? It's gonna have character. That's fine. We're gonna have some inverse taillights. What could possibly go wrong? Anyway. Whoa. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, whatever you want to do, share it. And yeah, hopefully we make content more than twice a year. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.